Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Gabby, and today I'm going to be showing you the inside of this very old house that I recently purchased. As you can see, it needs completely redone, and my hope is that I'm going to be able to make it look 1,000 times better. In this video, I'm just ripping out the living room and kitchen floor. Now this house needs a lot of work. I mean, basically everything needs redone. So use your imaginations, okay? It doesn't look the best right now, but just use your imaginations, okay? Imagine the wall is pretty and painted. Imagine there actually being a floor. Okay, the first part that this house is gonna go through before I can make it look better is it's gonna get a whole lot worse. I'm gonna have to demolish some pieces so I can put in better pieces. But what really drove me crazy about this floor, cleaning it out, is there's like piles of like old plasterboard all over the floor. And it was like, why? Buckets upon buckets of old plasterboard all over the place, all chopped up. Okay, if you're new to my channel, I've been trying to figure out a way to describe it, and I have not come up with an answer yet. Because at some points, it does have stuff to do with country living, on our homestead, but at other points, I have no idea. I mean, I do live in the country. But at some points, things like this, I'm not even sure how this fits into the YouTube channel, but it's something I do, so I don't know, just my life, I suppose. Okay, this is just my observation. I don't know if anyone else agrees with me, but the nails that were used to build houses in the past, I'm not exactly sure when this house was built, but they were a lot stronger in my opinion, because when I'm trying to tear out things like a floor or like any sort of demolition, the nails don't want to come off. Like literally the wood will break apart. I might as well just cut the wood apart before I can pry up a nail. And I'm like, why? I don't know how were they making the nails in the past? I'd like to know, like, what did they change? Oh, as you can see here, my Sawzall blade started to get dull, but I didn't exactly have another one, so I just decided to make the Sawzall push through it, but I do not recommend that. Okay, I'm almost done here. Well, with this part. Like I said, this house needs a lot of work. I don't know how long it's going to take me to get it done, because this is literally just the start. Whoops, my bad. I forgot that I hauled it all out of the house, but now I got to haul it away. So I gotta load it all up in the dump trailer now. I always forget about that part. It's like, oh, I thought the job was done. Nope, you were wrong. Okay, now I'm done this time in the video. Oh, yeah. Anywho, thanks for watching, and remember, Jesus loves you. Bye-bye.